Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up sales tags on your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you have not already. And once you open it up, the first thing you're going to go ahead and be able to see is the option to log in the upper right corner. So you can go ahead and log in or sign up for an account if you do not already have one. So once you're logged into your store account, this is going to be the homepage you're greeted by. From here, we can get started setting up our store. And at the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we have for managing our store. So let's go and take a look at how to set up sales tags on our products. What we're going to do is go right here at the bottom of this menu right here and find the settings icon. By clicking on settings, it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu from where we can get started accessing all the settings we have for our store. And at the left side of the screen, we can find this option that says taxes and duties. This is what you want to open up. From here guys, you can get started selecting what taxes you want to go ahead and collect, and from there you can use the tax service right here. As you can see, you can manage your tax service and select what tax service you want to use. You have different applications you can choose from, and then you can go ahead and select your tax regions. From here you can select what tax you're going to go and be using for what region, and you can go ahead and edit them to whatever you prefer. Once you're satisfied, just exit out. It's going to apply it to all your products, and now people purchasing from those regions are going to see that tax, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.